Examples of soil contaminants. There is a large variety of pollutants that could be poison to the soil. Now, examples of the most common and problematic soil pollutants can be found below. First is lead. That means it results into lead poisoning. Now, lead is one of the most common elements in our world. It is becoming increasingly common in the universe as heavier atoms decay to lead, and there are massive lead resources on Earth, meaning we can assume there will be no lead shortage in the foreseeable future. Etymologically, the Germanic word lead and the Latin plumbum, which gave it the Pb notation in the periodic table of elements, may have the same origin in the Proto Indo European. Now, chemical properties of lead. Contrary to popular belief, lead is not very heavy in itself. It is silvery with a blue tinge and is a soft, malleable material. Lead has been in use since the ancient times because it is widely available through easy and cheap extraction and processing. It is available rarely in native form and more widely found in galena ores as well as anglesite and cerussite or boulangerite ores. This metal easily changes color through corrosion or heating, which led alchemists to believe that it in fact turned into other metals or that it had near magic properties. Now, uses of the lead. As it has a low melting point and high density, lead was used in numerous household and engineering products throughout history. Its use has now declined in commercially available items because of its toxicity. Lead was widely known beginning with the period of 6000 BC and was later used by the Romans to make water pipes, which gave an enormous advantage to the Roman Empire, although it was offset by even bigger long term disadvantages. For thousands of years, lead was common component in numerous everyday items, from drinking cups to enamels. In more recent times, it became a massive ingredient in industrial production, like water pipes, coffins, tableware, bullets, fuel additive, paint, cosmetics, batteries, canning. Now, when I'm just taking here the fuel additive. We know that diethyl uh, lead, tetraethyl lead is used. Not diethyl, it is tetraethyl lead is used in the uh, fuel, petrol, anti-knocking agent, if I'm not wrong. So the lead is actually resulting into even air pollution because of that fuel. Now it may also result into soil pollution. Now, what are the harmful effects of lead? Lead is dangerous even at the smallest levels, especially when these levels are sustained in time. It is extremely toxic for young children even in low doses, and in higher doses it can be fatal for humans in general. Now, lead poisoning, as we can see in the diagram, it results uh, in poisoning in eyes, mouth, kidney failures. It can result into neuromuscular problems, then even reproductive problems, skin problems, then CNS is affected. Uh, Here in this the diagram, we can see the symptoms of the lead poisoning with the specific organs, right? Even in abdomen, like in abdomen, it results into pain, nausea, diarrhea, and when we talk about mouth, it results into blue line along the gum, and many symptoms are here. You can see in the diagram. So in mainly I've taken it in specific points that lead poisoning actually results into weight loss, irritability and mood disorders, learning difficulties, abnormal cramps and vomiting, fatigue, neurological problems, headache, autism in genetically predisposed people, growth reduction, impairs the pituitary thyroid endocrine system, favors osteoporosis.